One night, we were coming home.
Thing, there was like maybe like 10 bikes in front of us. The guy doesn't like to be behind us. They one fall.
Yeah, they all fall.
Yeah.
I told you she was gonna have bugs in
This guy, we're gonna have to go fast. Can we go fast?
How did you take this?
Tighten that helmet up.
Oh, I like it.
Yeah, tighten, you gotta lose
How do you
it.
tighten this thing? How do you tighten this thing?
You leave it like that. No way's gonna hit him.
Not gonna lose it? You wanna lose it?
You're next, bro. Come on, get a wig, man.
The cat was going, I don't live here. Why do you guys keep...
Why are you locking me in here?
This guy, you just, the chick's looking.
Alright, I got it.
Take it?
Yeah.
Hey, thanks a lot for everything. We gotta,
no
we gotta
problem.
do that.
On my brother's birthday, and I'll try to get this to you as soon as I can. So September